Friends of knowledge and exploration, welcome. I'm delighted to greet you in our community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for understanding the world around us. Keep enjoying the videos. Storing transportation vehicles and ramps within homes is a distinct feature of many houses in Vietnam and other countries where motorcycles and scooters are common means of transportation. These ramps are small inclined platforms or lifts designed for the storage and parking of vehicles directly inside homes. There are several reasons why storage ramps for vehicles are prevalent in many Vietnamese homes. Many Vietnamese homes have limited street and yard space, especially in urban areas. Ramps allow optimal use of available space as they are integrated into the house's architecture. Vietnam's climate can feature heavy rains, droughts, and scorching sun. Storing vehicles indoors shields them from weather conditions, reducing wear and tear and extending their lifespan. Storing vehicles inside the home provides greater security against theft or damage compared to leaving them on the street or in the yard. Thanks to the ramps, vehicles are easily accessible and ready to use without the need for distant transportation. Vietnamese people often prioritize the aesthetics and appearance of their homes. Ramps can be integrated into the house's design without compromising its visual appeal. Vietnamese culture emphasizes family values. Storing vehicles inside the house can symbolize care for the family and its belongings. Some homes may lack designated parking spaces on the street or in the yard. Ramps offer a practical storage solution. In conclusion, storage ramps for transportation vehicles in Vietnamese homes combine practicality, security, aesthetics, and socio-cultural aspects. This practice results from adaptation to local environment and lifestyle peculiarities, providing convenience and protection to vehicles and showcasing their importance in family and cultural life. I hope that this video has been interesting for you. Please leave likes, comments, and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all the new videos. Your active participation helps me understand what interests you and allows me to create content that inspires you.